So as a project manager, my job is to ensure that the project is running within accordance to the timeline. So I oversee the project from the start phase throughout the end, ensuring I'm the main key lead to the client, subcontractors on site, the site engineers. So we all liaise together with me, so I can go around and inform everyone and make sure, plan everything in head advance. So that way everything is in accordance, no one is in contraction or in the way of anyone else. And it is also my duty and responsibility to run a team of coordinators and project directors under me. So the ones that are on site, they handle all the things that are regarding on site, and they call me in regarding to anything they need, or any types of paperwork or approval or any type of information they need. So my main project was Sydney Light Rail, where I was the project manager for that job specifically, where I had to handle and take care of all the contractors and subcontractors, ensure the clients were doing a good job and making sure everything was all in accordance. Thank you.
My name is James Taggart, Contract Administrator for the Sydney Light Rail project. Key responsibility for the Contract Administrator is to ensure that the Public-Private Partnership or PPP agreement is executed on time and in accordance with the client's specifications. Contract Administrator is involved in overseeing, reviewing and processing tender bids from subcontractors. In this role, I will prepare and issue all subcontracts which outline the payment terms, project special conditions and requirements, and highlight their specific scope of works, along with common contractual clauses such as latent conditions, force majeure events, retention payment terms, and delay charges, to name a few. I'll also work closely with the site manager and project manager, tracking overall progress on site, monitoring budgets, updating cost reports, and processing contractor progress claims. I'll also assess, accept, or reject any requests for modifications to the contract throughout the project under the supervision of our management team and the client. I can assist in the mediation process should a contractual dispute arise throughout the project. These tasks are key to ensuring that the project continues on schedule and without interruption.
My name is Liam Toshon and I'm the Financial Officer of Sydney Light Rail. In having the role of the Financial Officer for the Sydney Light Rail project, my roles and responsibilities to ensure the financial side of the project runs successfully includes preparing and managing strict financial budgets which must be applied to the project, financial reporting, and outlining the financial management objectives. It is also important I cost effectively evaluate and compare tenders from suppliers and subcontractors, generate and issue purchase orders for awarded contracts, and review subcontractor compliance and progress claims. In order to track the progress of the project and maintain a satisfactory financial stance, it's my duty to record any of these delays which may increase the cost of certain areas of the project and apply changes when necessary to overcome these delays. Through monitoring and controlling all these aspects, it will ensure records are kept, output is achieved as stated in the contract, and overall efficiency and profitability are achieved.
Hi, my name is Tyson Street and I'm the Plant and Machinery Operator in the Sydney Light Rail project. My role within the project is managing and operating heavy machinery and equipment used in the industrial and manufacturing processes. This can involve excavating, crushing and removing rocks, transporting materials, and numerous other duties. The specific jobs I conduct within this project include excavating to lay electrical wires and foundations, and the removal and transport of materials that have been excavated, such as soil, rocks, and other debris that was found.
Hi, my name is Renato Susanto. I'm the site manager of Sydney Light Rail.
As a site manager, I have a strong responsibility for reviewing the project plans and specifications, making comments on the building design and scheduling of the Sydney Light Rail. I'm also required to keep an eye on the construction process happening all along the 12 kilometers of Sydney Light Rail track each day, including coordination of each activity proceeding among all on-site trades. Part of my site manager role, I'm involved in analyzing various cost and construction options in order to determine the most cost-effective alternatives. I'm also accountable for maintaining and enforcing good construction standards and quality control of the Sydney light rail. Keep control and responsible for the work environment together with machinery and equipment are comply with work health, safety standards and requirements is also been my job as a site manager. Furthermore, I'm in charge of discussing and resolving different issues that arise in conjunction with the construction manager of Sydney Light Rail. The purpose of hiring a site manager is to carry out the delivery of Sydney Light Rail within the schedule and budget. I'm also required to keep on low waste such as defects and overproduction that may occur on the construction of Sydney Light Rail.
Hi there, my name is Narek Choplazian and I'm the Project Director for Sydney City Light Rail.
My role as a project director transcends at a tactical and strategic level, where project accountability illustrates the level of complex outcomes possible in this industry. As a project director, it is a requirement to understand the context of the organization in a broader perspective and all the changes that take place outside the realm of the operational area and the program. My role as a project director involves the following duties: monitoring build progress, overseeing finance and ensuring project quality, making strategic decisions and providing leadership and direction to project managers to implement those decisions, meeting with clients, stakeholders and project managers to report on project progress, managing risks to avoid delays or reputational damage, ensuring permits and legal papers are secured ahead of the project, and finally, managing project managers and enabling them to supervise and manage their own teams.
Hi, my name is Tam Tai and I'm the site engineer for the Sydney Light Rail project. As a site engineer, I work on site to coordinate and direct all the construction activities, creating work plans and marking out the site in accordance with the plans. I'm responsible for arranging the necessary materials, tools and equipment that the construction team needs to build the light rail. This also includes negotiating with suppliers to optimize contracts about materials and resolving any technical issues with equipment and machinery. As well as this, I supervise people to ensure that designs are implemented correctly, which involves approving technical drawings and engineering plans, communicating changes to the project team, and providing technical advice for areas of improvement. Another part of my job is establishing a safe and clean work site so that activities and practices are carried out in a proper and secure manner.
Hi, my name is Raj Tiwana and I'm the skilled tradesman working on the Sydney Light Rail project. As a skilled tradesman, my responsibility is to build the project according to project documentations and Australian standards. My responsibility is to ensure that the right material and quantity is ordered to the job site so no money and time is wasted. The skilled tradesman must ensure that the quality of work meets the requirements of the project manager and the client. Having a skilled and licensed tradesman allows the project to run smoothly with very little chance of error. Tradesmen must ensure that all site safety has been met to ensure that the work site is safe for all workers. Tradesmen must liaise with the site manager to ensure that all site safety is met and ensure that any safe work requirement standards are upheld. Tradesmen must communicate with the project manager to inform them when each task is complete so they can schedule in the next job.
Hi, my name is Christian Tirakovsky and I'm the Work Health Safety Coordinator for Sydney Light Rail. As a WHS coordinator, my role is to provide on-site support to project teams and site supervisors and champion the work health safety culture on site. Some of my responsibilities include walking the site to identify safety issues, ensuring systems are created that maintain safety, and finally reviewing these policies while implementing new ones to ensure the well-being of staff is always upheld. Successes during the project included strong leadership and a firm commitment to improving and maintaining workplace well-being through various systems, which then laid the foundation of a strong safety culture. With worker health being a core value, the result was an exemplary safety record with no major incidents to workers during construction. Safety problems, however, occurred not on site, but on public footpaths that were left in substandard conditions. Uneven footpaths and missing pavers caused trip hazards for the public. This was due to unforeseen holes in the safety plans. It is vital for me to perform flawlessly, as any negligence can cause a workplace injury which may be very costly or even result in death.